Imagine transforming a massive log into perfect timber right in your own backyard. This portable sawmill empowers you to do just that, effortlessly turning raw logs into valuable building materials. It's more than just a machine, it's your ticket to efficiency and craftsmanship, making it an indispensable tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional alike. Sisal, a plant renowned for its durable fibers, is widely used in textiles. With 85% of the sisal plant being water, this machine processes it efficiently to produce high-quality sisal fiber, making the transformation from plant to textile-ready material seamless. Introducing the 80-ton log splitter, a machine that can transform a single log into 24 pieces in one powerful stroke. Equipped with a hydraulic loader, it handles heavy lifting and splitting with ease, making your wood preparation faster and more efficient than ever. Pruning trees like larch, spruce, alder, and pine has never been easier thanks to this mechanical pruning machine. Capable of pruning up to 12 to 15 meters, it offers significantly higher efficiency compared to manual pruning, making tree maintenance quicker and more effective. Don't let its simplicity fool you. The peeling and planing apparatus is an incredibly effective and useful tool. With it, you can quickly and efficiently peel a log, streamlining your woodworking process and delivering great results every time. Introducing the tillage machine, powered by a versatile 6-horsepower diesel engine. This multifunctional tool is ideal for preparing soil for planting. Watch as it effortlessly works on its own along the same route, ensuring consistent and efficient soil preparation. Introducing the woodcutter, powered by a robust 14 horsepower diesel engine, ideal for chopping firewood. It cuts wood into lengths of 120 to 180 millimeters, significantly reducing labor and offering unmatched convenience for all your firewood needs. Meet the log debarker, a powerful machine that strips the bark off a log in mere seconds. It's designed to save you time and effort, providing a smooth, clean finish that's ready for your next woodworking project. Here we have the liquid fertilizer machine, utilizing a Breilmeyer motor mower for efficient distribution. This setup ensures precise application of liquid fertilizer, optimizing your soil and boosting plant growth. Meet the mini rice harvester, a multifunctional combine perfect for small fields, mountainous terrain, and hills. It's the most practical and enjoyable way to harvest rice, making the process efficient and fun. Prepare to be amazed by this wood turning and decorating video by Robert Sorby. Watch as he transforms a simple piece of wood into a stunning work of art, showcasing the incredible potential of woodcraft. Watch as the tree shaking machine revolutionizes almond harvesting. By gently shaking the almond trees, it causes the almonds to fall, making the harvesting process much easier and more efficient. Introducing the wood chip manufacturing machine, a powerful grinder designed for producing high-quality chips from large quantities of material. Whether you're processing trunks, branches, green prunings, or particularly hard wood, this machine handles it all with ease, ensuring you get consistent, top-grade wood chips every time. Stacking bales can be tough, but the stacking double bale grapple with its Claw 2.0 offset feature makes it a breeze. This innovative design ensures safe and easy stacking, even allowing you to slide the top pack forward for effortless placement. Meet the pellet maker machine, a versatile tool that transforms wood and sawdust into compact, efficient pellets. Perfect for creating eco-friendly fuel or other pellet-based products, this machine simplifies the process, making it easy and efficient. Here's the compost turner, a machine designed to efficiently manage and aerate compost. With an 8-foot working width, it's perfectly suited to be pulled by a small 40 horsepower tractor, making composting easier and more effective.